Alright, good day everyone. My name is Mr. Orimalade, but people call me Mr. Math, as in Mr. Mathematics. What I have for you today is quadratic equations using completing the square method. Alright, steps to follow. Number 1, rearrange the equation where necessary. 2, take out the constants to right hand side. Number 3, divide both right hand side and left hand side by the coefficient of x squared where necessary. Number 4, hash to both sides square of half of coefficient of x, that is open bracket 1/2 of coefficient of x close bracket all squared, and solve right hand side. Number 5, factorize the left hand side. 6, take square root of both sides and simplify. Alright, let's solve 3 questions together. Alright, look at this example 1. Solve x squared plus 5x plus 4 equals to 0 using completing the square method. Alright, how do we solve this? Let's follow the steps. Alright, we have x squared plus 5x plus 4 equals to 0. Alright, rearrange the equation. We don't need to arrange it, it's arranged already. Alright, take the constants to what? To the right hand side, whereby we have x squared plus 5x equals to minus 4. This minus 4 will become, this plus 4 will become minus 4. Alright, divide both left hand side and right side by the coefficient of x squared. You look at it, x does not have any coefficient. So we'll move to the next step. The next step, divide left hand side and right hand side. Alright, add square half of coefficient of x to both sides, left hand side and right hand side. Coefficient of x, add it to both sides. X squared plus 5x plus coefficient of x, which is 1/2 square of half of this of 5 all square. Alright, don't forget, off in mathematics it means multiplication. Equals to minus 4 add plus 1/2 multiplied by 5 divided by 1 all squared. Alright, we have x squared plus 5x plus, deal with this, 5 times 2, 5 times 1, sorry, you have 5 times 2 times 1, you have 2 all squared equals to minus 4. The same thing, you have 5/2 all squared. Alright, now let's deal with the right hand side first. Alright, right hand side we have minus 4 plus 5 squared is 25. 25 divided by 2 squared is what? 4. Alright, over 1, 2 fractions. Find the LCM of the 2. You have 4. How many 1 can you get in 4? That is 4 times the numerator. Minus 4 plus, how many 4 can you get in 4? 1. 1 multiply times 25. Alright, you simplify this. Therefore, you have 4 times 4, 16, minus 16, plus 25/4. Therefore, the right hand side, we have minus 16 plus 25 to give us 9 divided by 4. All right, for the right hand side, our answer is 9 divided by 4. Let's equate it to left hand side, whereby we have x squared plus 5x plus 5 by 2 square equals to 9 divided by 4. Equals to 9 divided by 4. Alright, we have x squared plus 5x plus open bracket 5 divided by 2 close bracket square minus 9 divided by 4. From here, what do? We'll come to the left hand side. The left hand side. Alright, you can see that this is a perfect square. Alright, what do? We factorize this. Factorize left hand side. Factorize left hand side. Thereby we have x squared plus 5 over 2 all squared equals to 9 over 4. Therefore, we have x plus 5 over 2 all squared equals to 9 over 4. Now the next thing we need to do is square both sides. Take the square root of both sides. Square root of both sides. Therefore, this will cancel this. So we have x plus 5 over 2 equals to square root of 9. Don't forget this is the same thing as this. Square root of 9 and square root of 4. What is the square root of our 9? 3. Find the square root of 4. 2. Don't forget, the value of square root is plus or minus. Alright? Plus or minus. Therefore, our x, make x the subject. Take this to the right hand side, whereby you have minus 5 over 2, alright, plus or minus 3 over 2. Alright, the value of our x equals to minus 5 divided by 2, plus or minus 3 divided by 2. Therefore, don't forget this is a fraction, this is a fraction. Find the LCM, which is 2. Alright, therefore, the LCM, which is 2. Alright, how many 2 can you get into 1? 1 multiplied by minus 5, you have minus 5. The same plus or minus. 2 into 1. 1 multiplied by 3, you have 3. Alright, the value of our x equals to minus 5 plus 3 divided by 2, or minus 5 minus 3 divided by 2. So our x equals to minus 5 plus 3 is what? Minus 2 divided by 2. Or minus 5 minus 3, you have minus 8 divided by 2. 2 cancel 2. 2 here 1, 2 in 4, 2 in 8, 4. So the value of our x equals to minus 1 or minus 4. That's our final answer. Alright, let's look at another example, example 2. Alright, let's look at this example 2. Using the complete square method, solve correct to 2 decimal places this equation. Now, all you need to do here, alright, you have x plus 2 divided by 2x. The first thing you need to do, you cross multiply, where you have 2x, open bracket, x minus 2, close bracket, equals to 4, open bracket, x plus 2, close bracket. Now use this 2x to multiply what is inside the bracket. 2 multiplied by this to give you 2x squared. 2x multiplied by minus 2, you have minus 4x. This to multiply this, 4x. This multiply plus 2 plus 8. The next thing, you collect like terms. Collect like terms. Alright, where you have 2x squared minus 4x. Bring this 4x to left hand side becomes minus 4x, and this to left hand side becomes minus 8 equals to 0. All right, at this point we have 2x squared minus 4x is what? Minus 8x. Minus 8x minus 8 equals to 0. Is now in proper what? In the proper quadratic equation. Therefore, you can see that the x squared has what? It has a coefficient. All right. The first thing we need to do here, we can divide everything by the coefficient of x squared. All right. We can say 2x squared divided by 2 minus 8x divided by 2 minus 8 divided by 2 equals to 0. 2 will cancel 2. 2 here 1, 2 here is what? 4. 2 here 1, 2 here is what? 4. Therefore, we have x squared minus 4x minus 4 equals to 0. All right, the next thing from here, we'll take this minus 4 to the right hand side. All right, we have x squared minus 4x equals to plus 4. So therefore, we have x squared minus 4x equals to 4. The next thing is to add square half of what? The coefficient of x. So we have a coefficient of x. Therefore, we have x squared minus 4x plus half 1 over 2 of coefficient of x, which is minus 4. And this you multiply it over 1 all squared. You do the same thing to both sides. Plus 1 over 2 multiplied by minus 4 over 1 all squared. All right, we have x squared minus 4x. Let's deal with this. 1 times minus 4, you have minus 4 divided by 2. All right, and from here you can cancel out. All right, so whereby 2 here 1, 2 here is what? 2. I think it's better that way. It's better that way from here. Let's simplify it from here. 2 here 1, 2 here is what? 2. We have x squared minus 4x plus, what do we have inside the bracket? 1 times 2, we have minus 2 over 1, which is same thing as minus 2. Same thing as minus 2 equals to 4 plus minus 2 squared. Don't forget. All right, the same thing on your right hand side. Do the same thing. What's our value? We have minus 2 squared. Right, let's deal with the right hand side first. The right hand side, let's simplify the right hand side. So therefore, right hand side we have 4. All right, minus 2 squared will be what? That is minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. Minus times minus plus 2 times 2, 4. All right, so we have plus 4. Plus 4 equals to 8. So on our right hand side, our value is what? 8. So we'll equate it to this, where we have x squared minus 4x plus minus 2 squared equals to 8. All right, we're going to factorize left hand side. We're going to factorize left hand side now. So what do we have? Now don't forget, this is a perfect square. The first time, which is x squared, and the coefficient is also what? Squared, which means it's a perfect square. So we take it out, we have x squared. All right, plus minus 2 squared equals to 8. All right, what is common here? Plus times minus, x minus 2 all squared equals to 8. Therefore, we can take the square root of both sides, both left hand side and the right hand side. Therefore, square root of this, square root of this. Where this cancel this, we have x minus 2 equals to square root of 8. Don't forget plus or minus. Don't forget the value of this is always positive or negative. All right, let's use our calculator to find the square root of 8. What is the square root of 8? Square root of 8. Square root of 8 is x minus 2 equals plus or minus. We have 2.8284. 8284. Now take this to the right hand side to make our x, make as a subject, equals to minus 2 becomes what? 2 plus or minus 2.8284. All right, the value of our x equals to 2 plus 2.8284, or 2 minus 2.8284. Therefore, x equals to 4.8284, or 0.8284. All right, the value of our x is 4.8284 or 0.8284. And don't forget, from the question given to us, they asked us to leave our answer in two decimal places. Therefore, our x equals to 4.883, or x equals to 0.883. That's our final answer. You can see that mathematics is very simple and sweet as bread and tea. All right, let me give you a few questions so that you can practice at home. All right, solve the following questions on the board at home. All right, this is where we are going to stop for today. Thank you for watching. All right, my name remains Mr. Emmanuel Orimalade. People call me Mr. Matt. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share to your loved ones. Thank you. Share with your loved ones. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.